and you find heavy metals and environmental toxins and plastics and things like that, it actually has a pro-inflammatory effect in the body. And the other thing that some companies will provide is...
Hi, everybody, and welcome back to the Kidney Coach YouTube channel. I am joined again today by the beautiful Emily Cargill. So let's dive in. So do you want to just start by giving us an overview of fish oil and omega-3s, and we'll sort of just go from there?
Sure. So fish oil is made up of omega-3 fatty acids. So there's 3 different types of omega-3 fatty acids. There's alpha-linoleic acid, and then we've got EPA and DHA. Omega-3 fatty acids are classified as essential fatty acids because we need to get them from our diet because our body can't make them itself. So that's where we get the majority of our source. But one of the problems is that most of the foods that we eat will contain alpha-linoleic acid as opposed to EPA and DHA. And EPA and DHA are actually the form of fish oil that has that therapeutic effect in the body. So we need to convert alpha-linoleic acid, I'm just going to start calling it ALA, into EPA and then DHA in our body. But that conversion is pretty slow. So only about 15% of what we get from ALA is actually converted. EPA and DHA, which are the really important omega-3 fatty acids, we can only get from fish and seafood. So if you're not eating a lot of fish and seafood, then you're really not going to be getting very much of this EPA and DHA. The quality of all supplements is really important, but I would say the quality of fish oil is incredibly important because not only can you find heavy metals and environmental toxins and plastics and things like that in fish oil because they're all things that can be found in fish, and that's where fish oil comes from. But also we've got to think about the fact of oxidation. So oxidation is when oxygen has created things called free radicals. So that happens within our body. But things like oils are really prone to oxidation as well, so including fish oils. So fish oils can oxidize and go rancid, basically. And when you use oxidized fish oil, it actually has a pro-inflammatory effect in the body. So rather than having the anti-inflammatory effect that you're looking for, it's been shown that it's actually pro-inflammatory and toxic to the body as well. So making sure, that you're getting a good quality supplement is really important. I would recommend, if you're looking at fish oil, I wouldn't choose a fish oil that I couldn't get the testing information from the company to prove that they do test for environmental contaminants, they do test for heavy metals. And the other thing that some companies will provide is oxidation values. So where they've tested levels of oxidation, and generally that should be done throughout the life of a product. So not just when you first purchase it, but all the way to the expiry date and even beyond. And the other way that sometimes, if you're not sure about the fish oil that you've got at home, you can sort of get a bit of an idea of whether it's oxidized, is actually the taste and the smell of it. So you're smiling there. And so just like if fish is going off, it's got that real fishy smell. It's the same with fish oil. So if you bite into your fish oil capsule and it smells or tastes really fishy, then it's probably rancid, it's probably oxidized, and I wouldn't recommend taking it.
Again, thank you for watching and being part of our Kidney Coach community. We hope you found this useful. If you did, remember to give us a like, thumbs up, and hit subscribe, and you get notified anytime we do more videos. Make some comments below if you want to say anything, and if you've got any topics that you want us to talk about, I'm always checking those comments, so put them in the comments below and we'll make sure that we do that. Thanks again, Emily, for joining me today. I really appreciate you, and any questions, let us know, and until next time, we'll see you then. Bye. Bye.